Hi everyone, Petal is Bless here. I'm coming on today to share with you guys a mosaic wall art that I want to make. A blinged out mosaic wall art. So let's get into the items that we'll be using. Alright you guys, I got this canvas board that I got from my arts and crafts store in my area. And I got these laugh, home, and live sign. Also from the same arts and crafts store. And I got these two paints here, white, and I got the silver. And we have our E6000 and our handy tools right here. And we have our glass pieces, you guys, for the letters. And our glue gun. Alright, you guys, let's get started. Alright, everyone, we're going to start by painting our canvas board with the silver acrylic paint. Just going to paint the whole board silver. And now we're also going to paint our letters silver. I was going to paint the letters white, but I changed my mind. I'm going to give them with the silver background. I think it would look much more better with the glass pieces if the letters are in silver, you guys. When I had you, I was okay. I was okay. Even though when we go out, girl, I would wait for you like all day. Now I got a much different frame of mind. If you need advice, girl, don't take this, take mine. And now our letters are all dry. So we're just gonna step to the next step, which is adding the broken pieces. So I want to show you guys how I crush up my broken pieces. I have a towel. I got my hammer and I have a towel, and I will just place the glass in here, fold the towel over it, and then just smash up the broken pieces. Yeah, so it doesn't splash everywhere and you get your broken pieces. Alright, let's begin. We're going to place our glass all around our letters and just fit in the shapes that fit into the letters and glue them on with the glue gun. All my life I've been waiting for somebody like you. And now see nobody like you. Nowadays my life's like a hurricane, ran through a hurricane. Crazy. But when I had you, I would say okay. I need you beside me. Yeah, girl, I need you beside me. Yeah. You beside me. You beside me. Yeah. You beside me. Beside me. Yeah. You beside me. I just need you back. Apartment 46, yeah. Just for your attention, I work hard for it. For you, call me up right now, girl, I recover. And I realize that I've made a big mistake, choosing material things over you. Call me young girl, please, please. I'm a new, baby, don't worry, nobody's tempting me unless it's you. And now we're going to glue down our letters onto our canvas board, which is all dry. And we're going to use the E6000 to glue them down. I just have my little measuring thing because I want to make sure that I put them straight onto the canvas. And I painted the canvas board with 2 coats of paint, you guys. So it's all dry, so let's get to getting our wall art together. When I had you, I would say okay. I need you beside me. Yeah, girl, I need you beside me. Yeah, girl, I need you beside me. You beside me. Yeah, you beside me. Beside me. Yeah, you beside me. When I had you, I was okay. Even though when we go out,
Girl, I would wait for you like all day. Now I got a much different frame of mind.
And here's the finished look, you guys. Our mirrored mosaic wall art with home, live, and laugh. I think it looks very nice. I'm glad I decided to go with the silver for the background of the letters, which I think it turned out really nice with the silver. Remember, I was going to paint them white, but I'm really glad I went with the silver because it looks very nice. The home, the live, the laugh. It looks very nice. A nice little sign for your home.
All my life I've been waiting for somebody like you. And now see that nobody like you. Nowadays my life's like a hurricane.
And this is where I placed it in my home. Just giving you a quick view of where I placed it. You can place it anywhere in your home. I placed it in my living room. You can put it in your dining. You can put it by your entrance. You can put it in your room, in your office, anywhere. It's a lovely little statement piece to hang anywhere within your home decor. Alright everyone, I hope I've inspired you with another blinged out DIY for you to do. And if you'd like to see more of my DIY ideas, don't forget to press that subscribe button and also like, comment, and share this video. Alright everyone, thank you so much for coming on and seeing the DIY that I had to do today. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petal is Blessed. Bye-bye everyone.
That's for your attention, I work hard for it. For you, call me up right now, girl, I recover.